A little bit more parmesan on there. So that's our garlic chicken butter bites on that creamy parmesan pasta with a little splashing of spinach in there. Come on. Hi everyone, welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Today we're going to do a light, refreshing, really tasty dish with chicken and pasta. Come through all this pasta steam. We're going to make a very nice creamy parmesan pasta. We're chucking a bit of spinach as well to put a bit of green in there, and we're going to do bite-sized chicken cooked in butter. Oh, amazing. Okay, so we need to be cracking on, and we got a pan on here as you can see, and we're going in there with some sea salt. Salt up your water, and then we're going to go in with pasta of choice, and today it's going to be spaghetti, and we're going to do about that much. So what we're going to do is cook the pasta to the packet instructions, nice and steady. So we're just going to cook that, boil away in there forever how long it takes to cook it. Now I'm going to shove this on behind me. So I want to be cooking up our chicken. So we've got a pan here. Let's get our pan on. So we got a pan, get a flame on, going in there with a good couple of tablespoons of butter. That'll do. Hit it up with a little bit of olive oil. So what we're going to do is warm this up, and we're going to chuck our chicken in, and we're going to brown the chicken. Hopefully. Depending how much frozen water comes out of the chicken. Chicken in. We're going to go in there with our seasoning straight on top of that chicken. Salt to taste, black pepper. Get some brown on this chicken if you can. Want to be going in there with some red pepper flakes, whatever you like for heat wise. These are actually Korean pepper flakes, and they're not spicy. They've got a little bit of a kick to it, but they're there for colour, and they give a fantastic flavour. Okay, when you've got a little bit of colour on there, we want to be turning it down. Turn the flame down, and we want to be going in there with our garlic. So a nice little cook in there. Cook that rawness off that garlic in there. Oh, incredible. What a smell. Agreed, it's only a good smell if you like garlic. And we're going in there with just a little bit of paprika. Oh, even better now. What a smell. And in there with a little bit of dried or chopped parsley. Let's get that chicken out of there into a bowl. So that's our wonderful chicken in there, put to one side. Back on with the pan. I've just give it a quick wipe out with a little bit of kitchen towel there. Take that chili oil out. And now we're going back in there with some butter. Not too high a flame. And we want to be going in there with a little bit of garlic powder. So we got that flavour going on in there, in with some cream. Nice little stirring in there. Bring it in nice and gently. Now we want to be brightening this up a little bit, so we want the zest of about half a lemon. So just zest half a lemon. There we go. Nice little stir in there, put that in there. So we got that little bit of a bubbling going on there, in with some Parmo. Start to work that in there. Just work your Parmesan in, let it melt in, and it will start to thicken. It's already thickening, look. I don't want any salt, but I do want some pepper. In with a bit more. Okay, we're going for a bit of green in there. Just give that a little stir. It's going to stir all the way and wilt all the way down there. We're not going to be worried about it. Just get it in there. Only be about a minute. Just turn it in. While we've got that turning in there, we can go in with some pasta. Straight from there to there. Doesn't matter if you take the water. A little whiz over. Bring that little bit of spinach in there with that. Back in there with our chicken on the top of there. A little bit of Parmo, and we're ready to serve. There we are. That's our dish done. Let's serve it up. A little bit more Parmesan on there. So that's our garlic chicken butter bites on that creamy Parmesan pasta with a little splashing of spinach in there. Come on. In we go. Oh, that chicken. Chicken is so soft. A little bit. It's got a nice little bit of salty taste there from the Parmesan. Creamy Parmesan pasta. You got that spinach in there, but I tell you, that underlying lemon zest is coming through there. That is delicious. Oh, fantastic creamy pasta. You got that lemon zest bursting through there. We got our spinach, little taste of pepper coming through, and we've got our garlic butter chicken bites. What a meal. High class bottle of wine. Enjoy with your family and friends. Sensational. If you like what we're doing, don't forget to share with everybody. Tell them about this. And if you do like it, big thumbs up, ring that bell, subscribe to the channel. Catch you in the next video.